Behind the first door in the representative hall, which is an extension of the living room, there is a study with a library, which was used by Alfred Biedermann and after his death by his brother Bruno. The study has a distinct neo-Renaissance decor. It executes a pure Italian character of forms and design. Unlike other parts of the palace, the study is not overloaded with stucco or wood carving decorations. All elements have perfect proportions and create a harmonious whole. The walls of the study are decorated with variant pending slender vertical panels, in which spacious library cabinets preserved from the original equipment of the palace are built in. The book collection they contain was taken to the public library in the name of Marshal Józef Piłsudski after World War II. Part of the closet next to the bookcase was intended for billiard cues, which may suggest that in the Biedermann's time there may have been a billiard table in the study. This is also evidenced by a pull-out board used to record players' scores. Part of the room is a wall with an impressive fireplace, made of coffee-like, veined and spotted marble in a wooden casing. The frieze of the fireplace lintel is decorated with three neo-Renaissance heads with expressive features, most likely belonging to three philosophers. The hearth of fireplace is decorated with panels that showcase typical Renaissance motifs such as bundles of grain, flowers and fruits, as well as birds hovering among the plants. The office ceiling continues the interior style, consisting of half-octagonal fields alternated by smaller quadrilateral fields.